Hello my beautiful people, welcome and welcome back to Mercy Video Styles channel. I hope you guys doing well today because me as always I'm doing amazing. For those of you that new here, my name is Mercy. Guys, in today's video I'm going to share with you how I decorate my bedroom. Guys, it's like a bedroom refresh because I had my bedroom last week black and yellow, but this week I'm changing. I need something a little bit brighter. So it's fall, so even I have some, I'm adding the brighter color, but you can still use it for fall because fall you can use so many variety of colors. Alright guys, I already changed my bed sheet and bed my flat sheet and my fitted sheet because I love to change them. Like if I don't do daily basic, at least 2 or 3 times during the week, because like I always said in my video, I suffer from severe acne, so I always try the best of me to change my bed sheet very often. And for my pillowcase, I change my pillowcases every night, so which is helping me a lot. For this bedroom decor, I wanted something very elevated, and I'm going to use 2 comforters and just to achieve the look that I'm looking for. So guys, I live in Florida. I still use several comforters just for the look. When I'm going to sleep, I just remove them. I just love my bedroom to look pretty. Alright guys, this video is in collaboration. This company sent over to me this beautiful Chanel bag. Guys, if you've been watching me so far, you know that I love Chanel bag. So I'm going to do an unboxing for you to see what I got. So if you are somebody that love the look and you're on the market, you don't want to break the bank, this one can be a very good option. Guys, there are a variety of style and colors to choose from. Like I said, me, I love Chanel. So if you don't like mine, you can always look whatever they have and choose whatever you prefer, because guys, the only thing you're not going to get is the price tag. The bag is beautiful, the quality is marvelous, and they even give you the authenticity card. So guys, there's no better thing than that. So I'm going to put the link in the description box down below. If something like that interests you, feel free to check them out, because me, I'm loving my bag. As you can see guys, inside of it got extra pocket to put your stuff in. The bag is so beautiful, and with this holiday season going on right now, you can look fancy on a budget without breaking the bank. Alright guys, I'm going to leave the link in the description box down below. If something like that interests you, feel free to check them out, because like I said, you're gonna have everything as the original, only the tag price, and it's so beautiful. I'm loving it. Alright guys, let's go back to finish the bedroom and keep on watching. I always take some time to welcome everyone that new to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Mercy. Please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit on the notification bell. For my next upload, you will be the first person to know. In my channel guys, I do product review, clean with me DIY, and if you are not new and you haven't subscribed yet, please consider to do so today. To all my subscribers, thank you so much guys. Without you, I'll never be where I am today. I'm truly grateful for every single one of you guys. I love you all, and keep on watching. Normally guys, when I'm making my bed, I don't really worry about wrinkles because I know I'm going to steam clean my bed. So it is not for everybody. Some people like to iron the sheet, but me, I like to steam clean it. Not only it kills a lot of bacteria and germs, and my bed have to be very sleek, and you can see my steamer how everything is going on. So I love doing this. So if that's something that you like, comment in the below, let me know. And guys, I really love steam my bed, like I said before. So everything that I'm using in the video gonna be in the description box down below. If something interests you, feel free to check them out. Alright, starlight, say what you will, say what you want. I won't grow up, I will come around.
wanna see a familiar face and a friend to take my hand. Sometimes a little bit lost gets a little bit found. You can lose yourself and your faith will come washing up on shore. And I've been here before, I think I've told you. Alright, starlight, say what you will, say what you want. I won't grow up, I will come around. Say what you feel, say anything. I'ma hold on till I can't let go.
I always tell my children, even something look good, that doesn't mean it's clean. I'm somebody that always vacuum my bedroom, and you can see my rug hold a lot of dirt, as you can see, guys. So imagine somebody that doesn't clean that much as often that I do. What to expect? So make sure like to check on your people and tell your kids to vacuum often, because there's a lot of buildup that can occur. Okay guys, this is a finished look. Let me know down below what do you think, if you like it. If you do, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and share the love with your friend and family.
Built a shelter in my mind. Put you there like you'd been there all the time. Saw you sky high in my days. Felt so small, I had to get another taste. Where do you roam? I can't explain how you still feel like home when you back away, changing your tone.
I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and thank you so much for taking your time watching it today. I love you all, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.